Alright, yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna tell you where I've been and what's coming and all that good stuff. But I'm back with a rant. I've got to rant this morning, man, because I gotta address something. I got something on my chest, on my heart. I'm actually heading to Starbucks right now because I start my keto diet tomorrow to finish shredding up for the summer so I can get peeled like an orange, have the skin tight like a grape. And yeah, I'm starting that tomorrow, so I'm filling my body up with bullshit today. So that's what I'm doing. But I'm making this video to address all the Hellcat haters, all the Hellcat and demon haters out here. Y'all make my ass itch. I just want y'all to know that. Y'all are annoying as hell. First off, let's start off with our fellow brethrens. If you drive any model Mopar, let's say Mopar, or you just Dodge, or just Mopar in general. If you look at the commercials say the brotherhood of muscle. Brotherhood being the operative word. Brothers. That means sometime we may be a little bit more beefier than the other, but we are all cut from the same DNA. Alright? That's what that actually means. So and this comes from me reading forums and other people's videos and looking at the comments, and you see people with these little passive aggressive little asshole remarks. Oh, congrats, enjoy spending $3,000 on your brakes, I'm just gonna enjoy my scat pack. Or, oh dang, that sucks that the bearings in your supercharger went out. Oh well, I don't have that problem in my scat pack. Bro, I think the point of you buying a car at $30,000+ is for you to enjoy it. That's what I think personally. I think you're supposed to enjoy it. That's what you're supposed to do, jackass. Newsflash. Enjoy your shit. That's what you're supposed to do. I just think that's unnecessary to sit there and say crazy stuff like that. So that's number one. We need to stop all this Mopar hate. That needs to cease. That's stupid. That's stupid. I love all of them. I seen some SXTs that aesthetically people put some money into and they look better than some people's Hellcat. I mean, it's a Mopar. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for myself. Number two, all you doggone financial geniuses out here who don't own Hellcats or demons, and you out here telling people what they need to be doing with their damn money. Telling them some, oh, that's just a bad investment, $70,000, da-da-da-da-da. Asshole, who died and made you Warren fucking Buffett? Nobody. Stop that. You don't know anything. My grandparents and my dad always told me growing up, you can never secure your pockets worrying about the next man's pockets. Ever. It's impossible. You can't. Unless that's your job. Unless you're a financial advisor, that's because if you're securing his pockets, then, hey, he's going to secure your pockets. It works like that. But none of you are financial advisors. Or at least you're not my financial advisor. And for your information, 3 to 4 years before I joined the Army, I was working at a bank. So I know a thing or two. Don't come at me. Number 3. How can people hate on female Hellcat owners? I don't understand that whatsoever. If a woman, this is my opinion, if a woman can handle a 4,500-pound 700+ horsepower vehicle, she is the epitome of sexy. Unless she's butch, then hey, whatever floats her boat, I'm happy for her. But at the end of the day, man, I feel like that's sexy. And if you don't think that that's sexy, I respect your lifestyle decision. LGBTQ is completely welcome on my channel. Completely. Yes, can I have a venti caramel macchiato?
Macchiato, what else can I get for you?
That'll be all.
Alright, $5.25 total. See you at the window.
Thank you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. I'm gonna pay it forward.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay for the one just behind me. America needs more love, so I'm just doing my part.
Okay. Is there anything you want me to say to them?
Just tell us from one of the troops.
Okay.
Y'all should pay it forward.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Yeah, man, y'all should definitely pay it forward. I try to pay it forward as much as I can, but be sure you look behind you before you do it, because one time I did that shit blindly, and it was a car full of folks, and that bill came out to like $42, man. I was pissed off, but I did a good deed. So yeah, definitely y'all should pay it forward. I do it all the time, man. Don't try to pull up behind me in Starbucks, because you might just catch me on the day I decide not to do it. Back to my rant. What number was on? 4? Yeah, I think it was on 4. All you little Subaru and doggone what's them things? Honda drivers, man, get a damn life. Y'all always got something bad to say about a Hellcat or a Demon. Oh, they're not that fast. They're not that fast this. Oh, they're not this. They're not that. They can't go around curves. This, that, and the other, and the third. Bruh, they're not built to do that. And actually, the Hellcat can do that, but they're not technically built to do that. They're built to go straight from a dig as fast as possible. And y'all get these little, top end Subarus and Hondas are about 30 grand. You get those, and then y'all put like another 10 or 20 grand in it and sit there and talk about, oh, I could be the Hellcat, I could race a Demon. No, the hell you can't. Chill, stay in your lane. That's what you need to do. Stay in your damn lane. You can't. You're not racing that. And think about this. If a Hellcat or a Demon were to take $20,000 or $30,000 like you did in modifications and put it up under their hood, what do you think they're going to do? Exactly. Stop for stop, y'all not running with us. Period. Why you think all these boys going over to Chevrolet and getting all these Corvettes? That's another topic for another video, but we're not going to go there. But yeah, that pretty much concludes my rant, to be completely honest with you. I'm back at the house. I have my Starbucks. I've done my good deed for the day, and that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna go up here, edit this, and probably film some more. So in the next couple of videos, if y'all see that I'm wearing the same clothes, it's because I filmed it in the same damn day. Don't come troll me with that bull. Where I've been, I've actually been researching and studying and practicing, trying to create better quality content. Those first 2 videos, I thought they were alright. I went and bought a GoPro. I didn't really like it because I bought an extra piece for the microphone, and the microphone didn't even damn work, so that pissed me off. I wasted like $300 on all that, and so I got this $1,000 iPhone X or 10 or X, depending on your education level. I said X, and then somebody was like, hey, it's a Roman numeral 10. I'm like, what the hell ever. But anyway, I got this, and I'm gonna do all my filming and editing on this thing with the iMovie app and with these expensive ass cameras on this thing. So we're gonna take it from there. I got some more content coming. I'm gonna do my 5 things that I hate about my Hellcat, kinda, and I'm gonna talk about some of the news that FCA is putting out and some of the things that I'm actually excited about. Also, I'm gonna have 3 playlists on this channel. I am getting requests for people wanting my experience from basic combat training. I definitely will put that out there for you all. It's gonna be on the vlog section. And yeah, just spread the love. Click like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at SRT_Dre. And I will follow you back, because why not? Y'all be easy.